Hey everyone, this is Jake Clark from Fargo 3D Printing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your replacement blower fan with Quick Connect. The tools that will be required are Phillips head screwdriver, 2.5mm Allen key, flathead screwdriver, side cutters, replacement parts, and 3 zip ties. Be sure that your Replicator 2 is turned off and unplugged before proceeding. First, we will remove the active cooling fan duct and blower fan by removing the 2 black screws with a Phillips screwdriver. If your wire loom has a zip tie attached to the extruder head, cut that with the side cutters. Now we'll move to the back of the machine. There may be another zip tie located towards the top holding the wire loom to the printer. Cut the zip tie if present. Going back to the extruder head, we'll remove the extruder from the gantry. Use the 2.5mm Allen key to remove the 2 screws. Lift off the extruder assembly and set behind the machine. Next, we'll take off the motherboard cover by tipping the machine onto its face or left side. Use the Allen key to remove all 4 screws. Now remove the wire loom to access all the wires. On the motherboard, there will be a white 2-pin connector. This is the blower fan connector we are going to replace. However, first we need to remove the ferrite. To do this, we will push on one side of the clip and slowly wiggle it loose. Now, some of the older Replicator 2s don't have this, so you may be skipping this step. We will now open the ferrite in order to get the wires out. Go to the side where the snap fit is located and pull out to release. Leave this open for now and set aside. Go back to the motherboard and remove the blower fan connector as shown. After disconnecting from the motherboard, pull the old blower fan wiring out from the rest of the cables. Grab your new blower fan and connect it to the motherboard. Reconnect the ferrite over both the thermocouple wire and the blower fan wire. Snap into place. Run the new blower fan wires parallel to the rest of the extruder cables. Grab the wire loom and install over the wires starting at the extruder end. Once the entire cable assembly is covered, place the wire loom as shown so it'll go out the back of the printer. Replace the motherboard cover by having the open end facing the side the wire loom exits. Screw all 4 screws back into place. Tip the machine back up on its feet and run the wire loom up the back through the holders provided. Zip tie the loom to the top of the back of the printer as shown. Set the extruder assembly back onto the carriage and tighten. Move to the side where the blower fan resides and ensure that all the wires are entering the active cooling fan mount via the tiny slot while you place the blower fan. Hold the fan in place while tightening the 2 Phillips screws. Lastly, move the wire loom into position along the active cooling fan mount, and use a zip tie to secure. A smaller width zip tie may be needed. Insert the new cartridge into the heater block. Replace the active cooling fan on its mount. Make sure to run its wire through the same opening you ran the heater cartridge wire through. Tighten with the Phillips screwdriver. Reset.